Hi, welcome to Just About Any Food. Today I'm going to make some oxtail. So I've already seasoned my oxtail, but these are the first ingredients that I use. I use salt, garlic powder, black pepper, paprika, browning, Adobo all-purpose seasoning, oregano. After adding all those seasoning that I just showed you, I make sure to rub my meat together with the seasoning in order to distribute it evenly. Normally, when I season my meat, I would also add the onions and the other green seasoning. But today, I'm not going to marinate this meat. Normally, I marinate it for up to 6 hours or overnight. But because I want to cook this oxtail right now, I'm not going to marinate it right now. So after seasoning my meat, I set my pot on the stove and I add some oil and I'm about to sear my oxtails. After adding water to my meat, I give it a stir and I cover my pot and I will be back to check on it after 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, this is what my meat looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and add some ginger and garlic, half of my chopped onions, thyme, some of my chopped scallion, and a few pimento berries. After which I will give this a proper stir and cover my pot. And I will be back constantly to check and add more water when necessary. So this oxtail will take approximately 3 hours to cook. If you want to speed up this process, you can actually use a pressure cooker. So I want to make it clear that the water that I'm adding each time is boiling water. The meat is almost cooked, so I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of the chopped seasoning along with some chopped bell peppers and some ketchup, as well as a can of butter beans. So at this point, my oxtails are done cooking. You can add cornstarch to thicken your gravy, but for me, I'm going to leave it this way because the cooler the gravy gets, the more thicker it will become. Remember to try this recipe, like my video, leave a comment, subscribe, and cook with love always.